This is English Classics Auto Repair and Restoration with the 67 Camaro.
About to crank it up with my ignition.
And we assembled a 350 on it. We just did the wiring harness. I'm sorry? And that's straight from the ignition?
That's straight from the ignition.
Okay.
My left blinker, my right blinker. Only reason why the oil light's on because the ignition is on. As soon as you crank the motor up, that light will go off.
Go ahead and do the blinkers again.
My left blinker, my right blinker.
Got it.
My you can see down there, that's my indicator for my high I-beam. That works. Did you get that on film?
Got it. Okay, we did a wiring harness on it, so we're testing the running lights on it.
Running lights.
On.
On. Brake lights. This will be on.
Good.
I'm going to turn the ignition on. Left blinker.
Yes.
Right blinker.
Yes. Driver's side headlight on.
High beam.
High.
Low beam.
Good. Passenger side headlight. On. Yep, high and low. Working. So we don't have the pigtails for the blinkers, but you're doing the
By
test
manual.
light. So that's your passenger side blinking. Okay.
That works.
You can hear it in there, and we'll do the driver's side.
And here's the driver's side.
So we're just testing the wiring, making sure everything's connected, everything's working well. Looks good. Okay.
My front runner works. And my right runner works.
And then you said the other side is on that wire is blinking, right? So you got
Yeah,
your
this is
runner
my-
and you got your blinking
Right.
light
This is my runner and this is my blinker, and both of them are working
on both sides.
just fine.
Okay.
And this is my top that goes up and down, and it works. Only thing is, I need to replace these lines.
This is for the motor for the convertible top. So
And it does work. You can hear
it is working. You can hear it. Anything else?
I believe that's it for now.
All right. Sounds good. If you need wiring done on your vehicle, on your classic car, give us a call, 281-601-2713. Thanks.